Hey guys, if you guys heard, today we had some major announcements for GameStop on specifically what? On changes in the C-suite. And this is likely tied to a big catalyst coming up on April 5th. I say likely because it is. If you guys want to stick to the end of the video, I would really appreciate it because we are getting the news out here so that you don't have to go dig around for it, and the technical analysis bell to bell each morning so that you don't have to either. If you guys want to join in for a live stream and make sure you don't miss out on this financial journey, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that we can defeat the YouTube algorithm together by smashing that like button as well. Each time we have some promises from members of the community to buy AMC shares and for likes and subs. So we really appreciate you guys helping out, and now onwards we go. So the news today from Reddit favorite GameStop already has GME stock climbing. It appears that one big catalyst is coming on April 5th, and that is right in line with Ryan Cohen turnaround plan. So what do you need to know? Ryan Cohen is a big investor in GameStop. He also is now, without being able to say much about it, likely at the helm of GameStop's organization and leadership for the time being, all the way until he can actually say something years later. So right now we are noticing some big changes in that leadership organization. Let's pay attention. As a quick refresher, Cohen is the Chewy founder who became an activist investor and then a board member. Okay, one sec. His guidance helped spark the Wall Street Bets frenzy as a short squeeze rally combined with a real turnaround dreams. In recent weeks, Cohen has sparked similar buying interest after becoming the head of a new strategic committee and helping push out 8 board members. Truly, they are all retiring, and basically everyone who isn't loyal to Mr. Ryan Cohen, they're out of there, which is very similar to like a red wedding or a purple wedding kind of situation. Anyone who isn't going to be jiving with the RC flow, they're gone. And now it seems Cohen is at it again. On Tuesday morning, which is today, GameStop announced that it had hired a chief growth officer. Elliot Wilk will fill the position, leaving a 7-year career at Amazon. So he's an ex-Amazonian there. He held leadership roles that touched Amazon Fresh, Prime Pantry, and worldwide private brands. And we know that those 3 big projects essentially put Amazon on the board of getting these fast and oftentimes perishable products out to people who needed them very quickly. So customer service and growth is the name of the game here. Before that, he also held a brand manager and marketing roles at Procter & Gamble. Importantly for GME fans, Wilk starts his tenure at GameStop on April 5th, right? This is not an April Fool's joke. You're not going to hear a single April Fool's joke on this channel. Once there, his job will be to focus on growth strategies and marketing, including through expanding the reach of Power Up Rewards and Game Informer. The company also says that he will help expand customer insights and other marketing metrics. Now, this is going to be part of the announcements later today. If you guys have not yet seen that, likely going to clip that together and show you exactly what is GameStop doing with the original news organization that organized their October announcement of their Microsoft partnership. So we're looking forward to that starting at Power Hour today. Additionally, the Cohen era is bringing 2 other executives. Andrea Wolf is coming from Chewy to serve as Vice President of Brand Development, and Tom Peterson, also from Chewy, will now serve as Vice President of Merchandising. Exciting stuff to see. 3 brand new announcements for the exec team. GME stock in the Ryan Cohen rocket ship. So what else do investors need to know about the news? Bulls are taking it as good news, with GME flying 6% in pre-market trading following the announcement. We saw nearly double-digit, actually I think we did see double-digit rise today with a previous close of 180 and a high of 202. That is a rise of 20 bucks, which is 10%. So we saw a 10% rise today. Now we are consolidating right between a market close and that high at around 190. Let's see where we go. News in the quarterly conference call that GameStop is targeting 8 and tech and e-commerce initiatives also helped. It seems that for Cohen, much of the first phase involves getting the right people into leadership positions. With another steal from Amazon starting on April 5, investors are paying close attention. So what does this make you feel? First of all, let me tell you what I think. Right now is the difference between the AMC and the GME saga. leadership, right? We know Adam Aron cares. We know Adam Aron goes and the CEO of AMC travels to all the news organizations and talks, right? We don't have that same electric personality with the CEO of GME. However, GME has Ryan Cohen. And now that Ryan Cohen is putting little Ryan Cohens all throughout the executive team, this is likely going to be the start of something that we cannot put the genie back in the bottle once this entire GameStop leadership board gets gutted and replaced. That's one of the most important pieces of the pie right now, is if you can think of GameStop playing a longer term plan, not only hiring thousands of more employees for this year alone, but also getting the best and brightest, poaching actual members from Amazon and from his own company Chewy. Like, this is one of the best opportunities for GameStop to make it clear that that earnings call was just a precursor to something more and better. And if Ryan Cohen isn't going to come and speak today at that special announcements, I will be disappointed, but my expectations will be tempered. Most importantly, temper your expectations so that once these executives start getting into the groove, right, onboarding takes a good amount of time, but I'm sure that they are hard-pressed, time-pressed to hit the ground running. And that's something that I'm expecting them to be able to change the narrative on, right? How can we initiate one squeeze before another, which is what we're trying to do, if AMC and GME continue trading sideways together and being all basically mirror parallels of each other, both ups and downs. We want one to squeeze first, doesn't matter which one, and then we can transfer our attendees from one to the other. As always, as a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This was not financial advice, but it is advice for you to go down and use the same broker that I use, Webull, to get 2 free stocks if you guys haven't yet, or use BlockFi as a great place to store money and keep your crypto safe by owning your own wallet and getting 8.6% APY on top of that. So if you guys have done that already, the only thing left is to like, subscribe, and we'll see you later in the money. If you guys want to see your face here, I can barely see my own face on the Moon Platoon or the Gorillionaire or the Meatball the Space Legend tiers, go ahead and drop the fat join next to the subscribe button, which you guys have already pressed, and the Patreon link, which is down in the description below. For now, but not for forever, we'll see you in the money.